family.
Yeah.
Ano ni, last na ni siguro.
Hala.
Last na
Is it,
ni.
is it, is it going this way, Gracie? Oh, yeah, already.
Mura niya dahil nakapil na din.
Hala! This is it, pansit!
Level 3. Oh! Hold the bar, man. That'll help. Let me tell you, if this thing falls, the bar's not going to help you.
Tawa, mini-o, wala na ni shake. 1 mini-o, tinas na. Ama, na, wala shake ka na.
Oh shit.
Hala,
Oh,
just
yeah.
tinas. Wala. Hello!
Dab harness man,
Pero
boss.
na harness, pero mo na yung tinas.
Yeah,
Ay, nasi ka na kuha hikot.
Na siya hikot.
Versus maniato.
Wait for another one. Come on. Ready? Wait, look this way, look this way. Yeah. Right.
Kare, sorry, way sakay.
Well, this has all been very nice.
Sorry. Way sakay lagi.
Wala na nasiya ko kay mag-pick up na nas mga kwan dito. Mag-pick up na nas babaw.
It's interesting.
This
though, it's
will
not
be the
the
payon.
actual thing starts
Yun na
on.
yun. O pa yun dyan si
Airport,
Milpedi, yun magsilbi.
Hindi ko silbi bitaw yun. Ako ano, hadlok siya na ba?
Strange, right? It
Kahit
actually
kung
starts on
nabitin
airport
ako noy, nga mura kung
You see,
Di man
mamatay.
siya makapilo.
That airport
Kita.
is all on one island.
Ari lagi sa mahigda na lang siya. Bigin siya, mura lagi. Mabaho ka. Ari man. Higda sa silaw.
And you can tell that it's man-made, right? Because there's no hills on it.
Yeah, that's also
Talagsar biyan ng tsamba.
original. The
Una-una na.
Yeah.
Dili, yun. Ging na, bito na kung nili sa gigiaway, may kwaro niya.
That's almost like ziplining from
Yung lagi siya.
one island to
Kung lagi
another in
ko.
Palawan.
Ano man. Bisa kaila ta. Iguli na to. Di na kita kaila.
Ayun, kuya.
Ito pa yun pala ka.
Oh my goodness! Do you see those two people? In that gondola.
Hala, daghanang
They're
isda
doing
oh.
some naughty shit.
Naswaki.
Asa? Oo. Daghang ko ano eh. Kanang oyster.
Oh, can you see the oysters,
Yeah.
Oo.
Maybe we should pop down there on our bunker boat.
Yeah. I'm gonna pull that thing and then we're gonna drop down.
Can you imagine? You have to climb on the roof. Actually, that's how to get out.
Di lambay o
The
dagat.
doors are locked, right? You have to climb up there.
Naku, di
Yeah.
ko
Get on
na
the roof, and then you go down. That's how they rescue you.
Ganda.
Can you imagine?
Ah, di
Oh,
ay.
no.
Nukus na, lambay.
No, thank you.
Kasi
No,
nga
you'd probably be
napunta
okay with me. I could never go on that roof. And it would be. And then if we have to get out, right? You know when this thing's if they break it, right, and it's stuck. The only way to get out is from there on the roof, right? And they take you out from the top. How
Na.
do you imagine? It's just be
I would have to see it.
Yan na.
It would be just terrible, right? I don't know who of us would go first. Probably Emily would go first, followed by Babes. Well, maybe, but me, I think me and Madeline would be last.
No.
I would not go on there for £1 million. Jalene, would you
that
go out
would
there
be so
for-
fun.
To rescue yourself. If it's dangerous, you should go.
Why not?
If it's an emergency.
There's still
Right
another
here.
people in the other side. So.
We do not want to fall here either. Because look, if this thing falls now, even if the fall doesn't kill you, you'll drown.
Yeah.
We can squeeze.
Where would you squeeze through there? Not me anyway. I mean, nicely found.
We need to break this.
You'd have to smash that glass.
Yeah, and then you.
And I'm not too sure if we could. Could we? Could I get it out there?
Yeah.
I'm not sure.
There should actually be like a thing to.
Of course there should. This has all
Yeah.
been designed terribly.
Yeah.
No one thought about us.
Yeah. They're just letting us die right now.
Yeah, this is crazy shit. Where's Melvin? Can you see him?
Yeah.
Dili pa diri.
Right there.
Kung pa man siya muligo pa ni.
Did you text him, Madeline?
Oh yeah, that already writing.
And is he okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
Mga to pamantahan na.
Just there in the buwan pa nang ining usap.
Is it-
Na to na.
Is he spending my money?
City gate eh.
They stay there and talk sa Filipinos.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, I gave him extra just in case he had an emergency. Because you never know. He might panic and have to go back to the hotel.
Oh, we have to follow the.
Bloody cars.
Yeah.
Only second time.
Ano mo siya? Ano niligo ka? Iko ganahan kay mo kiti.
Bugat kayo mo diha.
Kung ilday pati na yung pamugong.
Ay, lihok ni mo
diha na bukite. Tiki man. Kaya. Awon mo break pa man dayta dinhan din usa mo
Oh,
daw.
tapat to.
Dili kay siya hawog dito, dapit
but
bato ra
you're
yung
going
mga
like on the back on the island
Oh,
again.
back on the island.
No, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, what I was saying though is that only
Hantod siyang orasan ni Putong.
6.
the fact that this terminus is on the airport I think is a bit weird.
Yeah.
Then you're back to this island.
Yeah.
Langkawi. It's Langkawi. That's why we went on the tunnel, right? Tunnel goes right under this. It's amazing that they're building all these tunnels under the water, right?
Yeah.
May gani kay musubay pus kanal sa sus mapula.
Oh, I know what it is.
Eh siguro ako na.
Yeah. You.
What happened?
Look at the water.
How nice and clear and crystal clear.
Drink that
You
shit.
can drink it.
People actually died from falling into from the water.
Wala ta kaagi ani dai gikan sa airport dai no. Kagi na wala kakita no. Dili makita? Wala din kakita.
Duha raw dito to.
Luyo ta. Pero to business dito. Pero ako makita na to wala ta magaro to dito to ang kwento.
So those containers that they turn into these things, we can have those in the Philippines.
That's like really like I'm thinking Denmark, like Copenhagen, because like they're struggling with
Housing.
yeah. So like cheap for like students and stuff, because it's so expensive to live.
I live in a caravan when I was great.
Yeah.
In the woods.
Sa mo ta to magtamang guys sa glass no, dili na jud kumabang tao.
Maurang pintahan.
Dili ba sa nang hindi mo ang clean lalo. Mamatay na ta.
Wake up in the morning and the birds be walking on the
Kupay gyud
ground.
klaro no. Ako no iba na choice noy.
My goodness. Oh yeah, you're right. That was only. This is only a stopping point.
Yeah.
Still.
We're waiting for the people to come down and then we're next.
They're just
Is
checking.
that how it works?
Yes. Then this one. They're there and they're gonna go.
Oh, it's still not good. This thing keeps moving.
Jesus.
See, this is not nice. What is this happening?
I don't know boss.
What can you tell me about this?
Oh, what the heck?
Humans do weird things with boss.
Janine,
What?
your father's an engineer. Tell me what's going on.
Sabi ki picture niya.
Yeah, the diving. They're diving, right?
They're diving.
Yeah.
They're fucking diving. What? Yeah, it's a dive boat. There's dive flags on it. What?
Which boat are they on?
Nice kurang.
Can you see them going in the water, or is it
Yeah.
just that boat?
Yeah, there's a divers there also. There's a
Ew.
three divers.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, then may paddy. No, wala. Paddy.
Nice kurang kuno boss.
What can they say there?
It's so cloudy, even the cloud.
You know what? Our guys are like complaining when it's the visibility is not good. What's
No.
about
Imagine this.
oh, the
They're doing
visibility
a special
is
tech
not
dive where they just go like that.
Yan ang mga siguro nagmapansat.
Among sisi diri no? Ha?
Mao nang noon kay nanoy.
Oo.
Dire.
How is it, babes? Okay.
It's good. It's nice.
What are they doing over that side?
They're diving.
Ew.
Show them the water.
Yeah, I can't believe that they got me that.
I think the visibility on that one.
They have nice. They have big crocodile man boss.
For a crocodile.
Oh.
Oh yeah. Holy shit. Is that crocodile egg? It's a big crocodile egg. Babe.
Oh, that one.
Huge crocodile egg.
Other way, thing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Massive crocodile egg. Very troubled crocodile egg. Right. Oh my goodness. I cannot believe we've done that.
Yeah.
That's a proper experience.
That's very, very.
I may just enjoy it.
May swimming pool yan pali ayo. Okay.
Wala na no
The girls are happy, that's the main thing.
Yeah.
Hope you had a pleasant journey. See you again soon.
Asa kay patupay. Asa kay patupay to.